So I'm just getting off of work. I got my package in the mail yesterday. So I'm about to go ahead and show y'all what it is. I've been waiting for this package for about 3 months. So, you know, I can't wait to open it. To it. Let's get to unboxing this. Now, don't worry about all this stuff. I was doing some garage cleaning up. I gotta get all this stuff out the way. All right. She got some space now. Turn this to the side. I got to get this wood off. All right, this is the hood I've been waiting for about, excuse me, 3 months. It was a bitch getting that shit off, man. And yeah, you definitely saw me cut that shit off with the fucking hacksaw in the dang on video. Yeah, it's my first ever carbon fiber hood. Man, this joint nice, and it's definitely lighter than my other hood over there. This is dope. This like this basically the AMG hood. Cause these cars don't have the scoops and the hoods, even for I think the AMG don't have it either. You gotta get aftermarket shit. I want to put it on the car. Yeah, I'm about to put that shit on the car. That bumper gonna need to be pushed up a little more, aligned a little more, because the hood is good. The hood is good. We just gotta push this bumper up a little more. And that's good. Hood. But in the meantime, this should look good. It look complete. Now I just gotta get this grill. Put that grill on. So I would swap the grill from the other bumper. Put it on here. Get that bumper lined up. Cause look at that shit. That shit is, yeah, I gotta really do a lot of adjustments to this damn car to get everything looking good. See, this side is okay. It's the other side that's really fucked. That most likely it came from the accident. And I gotta figure out what is causing this side for a gap like that. Well, I got a lot of cleaning up, man. My garage is gonna be man, fuck. Cause I'm supposed to be also supposed to be cleaning this side up. Cause I'm about to put my streaming setup right down here. So I'm gonna be cleaning this up.